Hello students and welcome to Dr. Shorab's classes, and today's question is from the Chinese Mathematical Olympiad. Yes, the same place where the question don't just test your brain, they negotiate with it. And Chinese Mathematical Olympiad is famous for mixing the geometry and algebra and giving the conditions that look innocent but actually they are not. And most importantly, they reward the thinking, not memorizing. So today we are not just solving a question, we are decoding it. So come to the question first. Question says, in a plane rectangular coordinate system, there are 3 points. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And the distance from the point P to line BC is the geometric mean of the distances from this point to lines AB and AC. So first question is find the locus equation of the point P, and second, if the line L passes through the in center say D of triangle ABC and has exactly 3 common points with the locus of the point P, then determine all values of the slope K of line L. Okay. So we will solve this question and we will learn all the concepts behind this question. Just give me a second. Yeah. So we have 3 points. A is what? 0, 4 by 3. B is -1, 0. And C is 1, 0. Right? Okay. So basically BC is horizontal, right? So line BC is the x-axis. Now we are told distance from P to BC, that is the geometric mean of the distances to AB and AC. So distance to BC is what? Root over of distance to AB into distance to AC. Okay. So distance from P to BC, that is the x-axis, just simple, that is that is mod of y, and line AB, for the line AB, the slope is what? 4 by 3 minus 0 by 0 minus of -1. That is definitely 4 by 3. So the equation becomes y is equal to 4 by 3 into x plus 1. So this will be 4x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Right? Now line AC slope. So this is 4 by 3 minus 0 by 0 minus 1. So this is minus of 4 by 3. Now the equation becomes y is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x minus 1. So this is 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Right? Now distance from point to line. Just a second. Yeah. Distance from point to line. So this will be basically mod of ax plus by plus c by root over of a square plus b square. Okay. So distance to AB, that is mod of 4x minus 3y plus 4 by 5, and distance to AC, that is mod of 4x plus 3y minus 4 by 5. Right? Now apply the given condition. Mod of y is root over of mod of 4x minus 3y plus 4 by 5 into mod of 4x plus 3y minus 4 by 5. Right? Now square both the sides. So we get y square, that is mod of 4x minus 3y plus 4, and this is 4x plus 3y minus 4 by 25. Right? So multiply now. 25y square, this is mod of 4x minus 3y plus 4 into 4x plus 3y minus 4. Right? Now ignore the modulus for the locus structure. So 25y square is 4x minus 3y plus 4 into 4x plus 3y minus 4. Now use the identity a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So we get here 4x whole square minus 3y minus 4 whole square. Now expand. So this is basically 16x square minus 9y square minus 24y plus 16. So this is 16x square minus 9y square plus 24y minus 16. Okay. Now we get basically 25y square equal to 16x square minus 9y square plus 24y minus 16. Now bring everything on the left side. So we get 16x square minus 34y square plus 24y minus 16, that is equal to 0. So the final locus is this. Okay. Now this is a conic, like the hyperbola type. Okay. So whenever you see the product of distances, the geometric mean and the symmetry, think conic sections are hiding nearby. Okay. Now we take L passing through in center D. Okay, so find the incenter D first. Formula is D is so length will be what? 2. CA is 5 by 3. AB is 5 by 3. So D will be 2A plus 5 by 3B plus 5 by 3C by 2 plus 10 by 3. Right? Now solve. So we get D equal to 0, 1 by 2. Okay. Now the general form. Y minus 1 by 2, that is k into x minus 0. So y equal to what? Kx plus 1 by 2. Now put into the equation, into the locus equation. So we get 6x square minus 34y square plus 24y minus 16 equal to 0. This is the locus equation. So substitute into the locus. So you get a cubic in x, right? So the line intersects curve in 3 points. The equation has 3 real solutions. and that happens when the line is positioned such that it cuts both the branches and touches one, and spatial slopes create tangency plus crossing. Okay, so the final result is k equal to 0. Okay, so locus is what? 16x square minus 34y square plus 24y minus 16 equal to 0, and slope k equal to 0. Okay, so this is the answer for our question. So today we learned distance, geometry and many things. Okay, so remember, if a question looks scary, it's just algebra wearing a Halloween costume. So next time you see a geometric mean plus distance, don't panic. Okay, so we have just solved this question. I hope all the things are clear to you. If you still have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so we will meet at the next session with a new question of the Chinese Mathematical Olympiad. Till then, bye bye.